Look, look, look at the bird on the tree. Listen to the sound. Listen to the sound of the buzzing bee. Smell, smell, smell the sweet smelling flower.
Feel.